love to take pride in the meals we cook, but cooking at home can be a lot of work. The mess, the time, and the endless search for the right kitchen tool can be frustrating and exhausting. Meet Prepdeck, your complete meal preparation system, designed for an efficient, tidy, and most importantly, enjoyable cooking experience. Prepdeck comes with 15 storage containers and a vast range of prepping tools that are cleverly hidden inside the unit. keeping things together but at your fingertips when you need them. The included accessories replace your common kitchen tools, and they attach seamlessly to the containers, so it's easy to prep, measure, and store your ingredients all in one motion. Designed with both functionality and beauty in mind, Prepdeck's magnetic enclosure doubles as the perfect cutting board, and it's detachable for easy cleaning. An array of color options means you can customize your Prepdeck at any time to match your kitchen or personal style. There is a built-in storage tray for your knives and other utensils, and a sleek tablet and phone attachment is available, making for easy access to your favorite recipes. Whether you cook often or occasionally, follow a recipe, or simply prep on the fly, we designed Prepdeck to support the way you work in your kitchen. And by the way, that storage tray, it's also a trash container. Whether you're the next master chef or new to the kitchen, whether you cook for one or many, Prepdeck saves you time and space and stress by giving you everything you need to prepare delicious meals in one streamlined and beautiful system. It's time to bring back the joy of cooking with Prepdeck.
Introducing Gaggia, the world's first portable toilet cleaning robot. Gaggia easily mounts under the toilet seat. Its powerful and sensitive robotic arm frees you from disinfecting and deodorizing and gives a bright shine to your toilet bowl. Families with fast-paced lives love Gaggia. With a push of a button, Gaggia systematically calibrates and scrubs the entire bowl, including hard-to-reach areas, to eliminate odor and contamination. Gaggia is child and pet-friendly with built-in obstacle detection and navigation technology. A removable nylon bristle brush means you're assured of a high degree of cleanliness. Gaggia is lightweight and portable. It comes with 3 mounting plates to effortlessly mount the robot so it can clean up to 3 different toilets. Gaggia also has its own charging station for easy storage and accessibility. With a 1-year limited warranty, you can be free from the disgust and tedium of cleaning your toilet. It gives you more time to spend with your family, because family matters to Altan Robotech.
This is the June Intelligent Oven. It's a computer that cooks, and toasts, and bakes, and roasts, and broils. The moment you put in your food, June starts to pay attention. Overhead LED lights show you exactly how good your food looks, and the built-in camera can actually recognize what you're cooking. Now you can start cooking like the pros. Let's take something you've made 1,000,000 times and make it better. See this probe? It knows when this chicken reaches a very specific core temperature. Once it does, June turns up the heat. The outside is crispy, and the inside stays nice and juicy. But what if you're at a loss for what to make? Happens to me all the time. You get access to tons of delicious recipes, each handcrafted for the June oven. It automatically recognizes the most common things we cook. The more June users there are, the better it gets. There are plenty of ways to make food. With June, you make food better.
Has your bathtub drain turned into a ticking time bomb? You know this. Few minutes into the shower and the drain clogged with hairs, turning your nice and refreshing early morning shower into a messy pool of soapy water, hairs, and saliva. Now what do? Take a big bottle of drain cleaner that's basically sulfuric acid and flush it down the drain? But then you find yourself doing it every other day. Don't get me wrong, most people would not have a problem with flushing down 2 liters of acid down their drain. But what if I told you we have designed a simple, straightforward, and easy solution for this that works every time and your shower stays pleasant and worry-free as it should have been in the first place? Introducing Tub Ring, a hassle-free, zero-frustration, ultimate solution for clogged drains. Tub Ring is super easy to use. You put it on like this. Take your shower without any worry of getting your drain clogged. Take it off. Wipe the hair with the tissue paper. That's it. Yes, really, that's simple. No need for complex installation of multiple parts into your tub. No need of replacing your already functioning stopper with a new one just to make the strainer work. Tub ring is engineered on a slot-based design, which catches even the thinnest hair and allows maximum water to pass through. Unlike other strainers with tiny holes, which make the water drain slower and can turn your shower into this. Central rim blade keeps the tub ring securely fixed and balanced, unlike other strainers which sometimes pop off during your shower. And the blade closes the bottom part completely, so not a single hair escapes into your drain. Due to its clever slot and rim design, it catches even the thinnest and smallest hairs, which means giving a bath to your lovely pet is no longer a clogged nightmare. Tub ring works with every standard bathtub stopper out there, be it a conventional toe-touch stopper, or a push-and-pull stopper, or a lift-and-turn stopper, which means no hassle of doing any tweaks to your existing bathtub. Tub ring works out of the box. Wait a second, did I mention that we have designed the same drain protector for your sink? Presenting Sink Ring. It does exactly what Tub ring does, but for your sink. It's a savior, especially for small stuff like jewelry, and keeps it from going down the drain. It's compact size to give a snug fit on the stopper, and it doesn't look like a Lego stuck in your sink. Both Tub ring and Sink ring come in 2 elegant shapes and 9 vibrant colors. A minimal ring shape comes in 6 stunning colors: sky blue, gray, green, white, pink, and purple. The other stylish flower shape comes in 5 lavish colors like pink, purple, yellow, orange, and red. No more worries about your drain protector being the odd one out in your interior. A clog-free drain is not a luxury. You deserve it. Everybody deserves it. What's the holdup then? Pre-order your tub ring today and enjoy high discounts and get it delivered to your doorstep before it goes on retail. Hassle-free, peaceful showers every time.
Yeah.